Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off stable mode on YouTube application. So the stable volume is basically it balances the range between quiet and loud sounds and adjusts the volume levels to reduce some variations in sound. If you want to turn turn it off, just go ahead to your YouTube and enter any video you like. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner right there and choose additional settings. Here on additional settings, you can go ahead and enable stable mode, stable volume if you want to. Now I cannot enable it because I have connected my iPhone to my MacBook, so it doesn't work like that. But basically, when I disconnect it from my MacBook, I can turn on that stable volume and also some ambient mode and so on and so forth. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's where you go ahead and enable or disable stable volume. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.